So I'm massaging the paraspinal muscles right here, down here, and this is the trap muscle. So he was boxing and he threw his back out, right?
Yeah.
Your spine, right there. Okay, so his shoulder blade connects right there to his spine, and the trick is to take the pressure off. Right there. Alright. Pressure off right there. Good. So right here we're gonna put now our pain cream. So we have a pain cream with CBD, and we have a body massage cream. So this one spreads out more, and this one's a little bit more concentrated. So I'm gonna use both for him. Here we go. ¿Quiere ver? La pomadita. Este pomadita es para el dolor. Okay. Lo voy a echar un poquito. Put some here. Okay. Actually, I want you to sit up. Can you sit up, Mijo? Face that way? Okay. So I'll put this cream right in here where you had that pain. Alright, so right here. Now do the arm motion like that. Just move your shoulder like that a little bit. So just nice and slow. You feel that right there? So I'm just taking some pressure off of his scapula. Scapula has muscles that connect to the spine. Like this. Sit up straight. There you go. Posture is real important. Very, very important. This young man is a college student, so he's reading and studying and bending forward. So this has something to do with it as well, okay? So we have to be very mindful of our posture. He also has a little bit of right here too on the traps. I'm gonna put a little bit more cream. Oof. And you didn't realize you had all this tension, did you? Until the stuff will catch up with you. Okay, so let's have you lay face up. You doing all right?
Yes.
All right, good. Come down more this way. A little bit more. Come on. Oh, there we go. Okay. So you're gonna have you cross your arms like this. Relax your shoulder, relax your arms, all right? Now, I want you to take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Ooh, man. Woo, that was a lot. I think it hit all his thoracic. Everything on here just like popped. Awesome. Okay, turn toward me. Turn this way. Here we go. I'm going to bend your leg like this, and the bottom is straight. Okay, relax your arms. It's going to be for here. Breathe in. Good. Let's go to the other side. Go like this, like that. You're doing good, man. Take a deep breath. Out. Good. Face up. Yeah, you just want your head there in that little, try to go like more in the center, right there. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. All right. All right, so the last one we're gonna work is on the neck. And so we do 3 different adjustments. I do the Y strap, so I take the pressure off, and then I adjust it from the sides, okay? And you're gonna have a lot more motion in your spine, okay? All right. Lift your head. And relax it. Good. Breathe in. Breathe out. Oh, yeah. Lift your head up. Relax. Last one. Relax, Mio. Good. And the next one. You good on this side? There we go. That was a little tough one. Relax your legs, relax your feet. All right, now he's level. Good deal, man. Let me get you up and walk him around. Walk around. How's that feel? Looser?
Yes.
Now do that little motion that you were showing me. Did that hurt at all?
No.
Yeah. It's like when he was doing that, he was pulling that 4th vertebra right here and the thoracic spine right here. So now he has a lot
What's
more.
your favorite part about the visit?
The alignment.
The alignment?